you turn to the right, this is our living room. So there's a couch that has storage in it, and then a dresser, and the head height in there is about 6'4". We wanted to abide by the rules set by the Appendix Q, so that's how we decided to go with that as the head height. Then if I back up here, the loft above there is our main loft, and then there's stairs that lead up to it. The bottom step actually pulls out, so when we don't need it, we can push it out of the way. Since we live in such a cold climate, we decided to get a wood stove, so that is our little wood stove. But our secondary source of heat is a mini split that is above the sink. So I'll walk you back this way. So our main space in the house is right here. So we have a kind of galley style kitchen with an eat-in sitting area. This also pulls out so that we have another way that we can sit and eat, or just more space for prepping if we need. And this is our propane and stove and oven. It is a 3-burner and it works really well for what we need. There's some open shelving there and bulk food storage. Then on the side we have our sink, and there's a lot of storage within the cabinets. The wheel wells are tucked under both of these. And then on this side you'll also notice a guest loft. So normally this ladder is tucked out of the way, but I thought I would show you. This is the guest loft, and we tried to get as much storage in places as we could. So we actually integrated some storage within the floor of this loft. So I'll take you down here. We also have a 42-gallon water tank integrated into the cupboards. So if we want, we wouldn't have to be necessarily somewhere with water. We could pump it in. So I'll take this off and then go into the bathroom. So this is our bathroom. We have a compost toilet. So that is entirely self-contained and uses no water whatsoever. And then this is the sink and the shower. Then next to the shower, we have a little bit of storage. Our on-demand water heater is hidden behind there. There's actually a false wall there. And then we also have some storage integrated within the studs. So that is the bathroom, and this is kind of a good view of the entire house. So the dimensions are, it's 28 foot long. We have a cantilever on the outside in the main loft. So it actually is 30 feet from there to the other side. And then inside it's about 7'6" wide. So the overall dimensions is it's about 324 square feet, and 100 of those square feet come from the lofts. So hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and there is the tiny house.